And ever wonder what it takes to win over a Hollywood heart? For Gigi Hadid, it might just be her cooking. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy a good celebrity story. Um, Gigi recently gave fans a peek into her relationship with Bradley Cooper, and it wasn't a red carpet moment. It was a kitchen. She revealed the homemade meal he absolutely loves, and trust me, it sounds delicious. In a video for Vogue, France's Now Serving series, Gigi walked viewers through her recipe for prosciutto and herb pasta. Um, she shared it's a dish she makes often, especially for a certain someone. Um, it's not just about romance, though. It's Gigi also talked about cooking for her daughter Kai and how family meals are a big part of her life. She makes sure to find time to cook, even while being a busy mom. Um, the pasta recipe is simple yet elegant. Prosciutto, tomatoes, cilantro, parmesan, garlic, olive oil, pine nuts, and a touch of red pepper flakes. It's a flavor explosion. Um, Gigi assures everyone it's good every time, and and I've definitely made this for my man. Um, he loved the smile with a smile, offering a sweet glimpse into their connection. So I might have done a little bit. I can miss. It's the little things, right? Beyond the pasta, Gigi shared her thoughts on her relationship with Cooper in a Vogue France interview. She described it as deeply honest, a place where she can truly be herself. This honesty is a refreshing change from her past relationships, which she hinted weren't always so open. It's clear she's found something special with Cooper. And she also spoke about the unwavering support they offer each other, all of us on the planet. They may not fully understand each other's jobs, but they're always there to keep each other grounded. Gigi and Bradley were first spotted together in October 2023, and they've been quietly building a life together ever since. They prefer to keep things private, but they've shared glimpses of their happiness. Last year, they went Instagram official, and more recently, they sparked marriage rumors with matching bands on their fingers. Could wedding bells be in the future? Since then, Gigi has been spending time with Bradley's mother and daughter, further solidifying their family bond. It's heartwarming to see them blending their lives together. Um, like Bradley, Gigi is also a parent, and she, talked about the joys and challenges of balancing motherhood with her career. It's a juggling act, but she seems to be thriving. And um, usually, if I have time to cook, it's when I'm on mom duty, she shared, admitting that a 5-year-old can keep you quite busy. Um, it's a relatable sentiment for any parent. But cooking isn't just a way for Gigi to show love, it's a passion. Um, she confessed that if she wasn't a model, she'd be in the kitchen perfecting her culinary skills. And she dreamed of being on cooking shows and credits her love of food to television. And her father, Muhammad Hadid, uh, she learned from the best, it seems. Um, I'd just been a student of television cooking for my entire life. She said, any day I was home from school, I was watching cooking. Her father taught her a valuable lesson: cook with your heart. And that's something she takes to heart in everything she creates, both in the kitchen and beyond. She added, "You need to cook from the heart, people." And just like her God, she doesn't bother with precise measurements. It's all about feeling it. So, what's the secret to winning over Bradley Cooper? Well, maybe it's a perfectly cooked pasta dish, or maybe it's just being yourself. Um, Either way, it seems like Gigi has found her recipe for happiness. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.